I'll be explaining the laboratory activity number 9. The first three lines, the first two lines, we know that these two are for numerical arrays and computations and plotting magnitude and phase. And we have the new line, the input simply as SP. It is symbolic math for Z-transform expressions. So the Z and P and NSP symbols it defines symbolic variables for Z-transform analysis. Is the complex frequency variable and N represents the discrete time index. This line defines the transform of the unit step and also the Z-transform of the impulse. The N values NP.R range 0 by 10 creates discrete time indices. And the UN values represents the unit step signal. The theta line space zeros, like N values, this line, creates a discrete time impulse where only that line exists. The theta angular value space in the R radius, this line, generates the complex Z values in polar form. So, lines, the labels, each subplot, and as you can see here, the feed axis subplot creates a 2 by 2 subplot grid for magnitude and phase plots. This line plots the phase response of the unit step Z transform. And this line naman, this line shows that the magnitude is constant and the axis 1 by 1, this line naman, shows zero phase confirming impulse behavior. And then the PLT type layout adjusts spacing to prevent label overlap and leave room for harder text. And here are the labels, my name on the top left corner, and it's then the PLT show renders all Z transform magnitude and phase plots. Now let's us now see the output. Dapat ganito yung output. As you can see, here is my name, top left corner, magnitude transform, the phase Z transform, magnitude of Z transform in delta, and the phase of Z transform of delta n. Now,